Hi, so, alam mo ba na merong mga alam? May mga certain placements sa birth chart mo and signs that can help to increase yung abundance mo sa life. So, malaman, let's talk about it. So, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share natin. So, get your birth chart. Ngayon, tignan mo doon. Meron ka bang planets sa iyong second house? Kung wala, it's okay. Ano yung zodiac sign? Ano yung sign na nandun? Second house is about abundance. It's about money. It's about money. So, utilize mo to. So, let's say that you have Scorpio in the second house. So, Scorpio is about, it's a very strong energy. Tungkol siya sa endings and beginnings. So this is could also have, it also contains a sex appeal. So how you present yourself in the second house, which if you have your Scorpio, that will help as well para mag-gain ka ng abundance mo. Now if you have naman Jupiter in your second house, ang swerte mo. Jupiter is a planet of luck. It's a planet of prosperity. It's a planet of abundance. Sa second house mo pa, well, good for you. You need to utilize that. You need to start using it for money making. Kasi, ayun nga, combination yun, no? Come to think of it, ang galing, no? House of money, yung second house mo, tapos Jupiter expansion. So, you need to work it, girl. So, sabihin naman natin, meron kang placements ng Scorpio or Pisces. Well, you need, especially sa big 3 mo, or sa big 6 mo, it's time naman na medyo paganahin mo yung strategic mindset mo. It could be that in understanding the financial market, isa yun sa pwede mong maging lead para mag-flow ka sa abundance. So it could be investment, madaming, kasi about our banking, money market, try to look into it. Well, kung meron ka mang placement ng Leo, an Aries, well, it could be sa leadership ka naman pwede pumasok. So, andyan na you take the lead or creative ways to create money. It's one of the ways para magkaroon ka ng abundance in your sa life. If you have a strong placement naman sa 10th house mo, pwede rin. Kasi 10th house is about career. Technically, as far as I remember, lahat ng midheaven nasa 10th house. So, why not? So, why not utilize it? So, depende kung anong sign yun nandun or planets. If you don't have any planets, that's not a problem. Just look at the sign and work it out. I hope nakatulong yun sa'yo. So, comment down kung ano ba yung mga placements kung meron ka ba sa mga nabanggit natin. And, just do tell me where you're from. And I'm right now residing in Baguio City. So, take care. See you around.